Vaccines are one of the greatest public health achievements in history. They have saved millions of lives and continue to protect us from deadly diseases. The vaccine industry has been at the forefront of this revolution, developing and producing vaccines that have transformed global health. In recent years, the industry has undergone a period of unprecedented innovation, driven in part by the COVID-19 pandemic. Today, in 2025, the vaccine landscape is rapidly evolving with new technologies and approaches emerging to combat existing and emerging threats. The COVID-19 pandemic demonstrated the power of vaccine technology. It was a global crisis that required an unprecedented response, and the scientific community rose to the challenge. The rapid development and deployment of vaccines were nothing short of miraculous, showcasing the incredible potential of modern science and technology. It showed us what was possible when resources and scientific brilliance were aligned toward a common goal. Governments, private companies, and research institutions came together, breaking down barriers that had previously slowed progress. This collaboration was key to the success we witnessed. In record time, scientists developed safe and effective vaccines using groundbreaking technologies like mRNA. This was a significant leap forward, as mRNA vaccines can be designed and produced much faster than traditional vaccines. The flexibility and speed of mRNA technology have opened new doors in the field of immunology. This breakthrough has paved the way for a new era of vaccine development, with mRNA technology now being explored for its potential in vaccines for other diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and even the common flu. The adaptability of mRNA technology means that it can be quickly modified to target different pathogens, making it a versatile tool in the fight against various illnesses. Beyond mRNA, other cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence and gene editing are also revolutionizing vaccine development. AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and predicting which vaccine candidates are most likely to succeed. This accelerates the research process, allowing scientists to focus their efforts on the most promising leads. AI is accelerating the process of identifying promising vaccine candidates, making the development pipeline more efficient and effective. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, researchers can simulate how different vaccine formulations might perform, reducing the need for lengthy and expensive trials. While gene editing tools like CRISPR offer the potential for highly targeted and effective vaccines. CRISPR technology allows for precise modifications to genetic material, enabling the creation of vaccines that can target specific aspects of a pathogen with unprecedented accuracy. These advancements hold immense promise for addressing some of the world's most pressing health challenges. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible, the future of vaccine development looks brighter than ever. With continued investment and collaboration, we can look forward to a world where diseases that once seemed insurmountable are brought under control, improving health outcomes for people everywhere. Producing billions of doses of vaccines requires a global effort. The vaccine industry operates on a global scale, with production hubs located around the world. While traditional pharmaceutical powerhouses continue to play a major role, we're seeing a shift towards greater regionalization of vaccine manufacturing. Countries like India, with its vast manufacturing capacity, are stepping up to become major players in global vaccine production. This is critical for ensuring equitable access to vaccines, especially for low- and middle-income countries. While scientific advancements in vaccine development are moving at an unprecedented pace, the journey from lab to jab is fraught with complexities. Ensuring equitable access to these life-saving tools remains a significant challenge. It's not just about creating the vaccine, but also about making sure it reaches every corner of the globe. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the stark disparities in vaccine distribution, revealing how unprepared we were for a global health crisis of this magnitude. Wealthier nations secured the majority of early doses, leaving many poorer countries struggling to protect their populations. We must learn from this and strive for a future where vaccines are considered a global public good, accessible to all who need them, regardless of where they live. This means rethinking our approach to global health. Accessibility is not just about availability, but also affordability and infrastructure. In many regions, the lack of cold storage facilities and transportation networks hampers vaccine distribution. This requires a collaborative approach, where nations come together to share resources and knowledge. Governments, manufacturers, and international organizations must work in unison to address the logistical, financial, and political barriers to vaccine equity. Only through such concerted efforts can we hope to build a more resilient and fair global health system. Section 5. Combating antibiotic resistance. While vaccines are typically associated with preventing infectious diseases, they also have a critical role to play in the fight against another growing global health threat, antibiotic resistance. The overuse and misuse of antibiotics have fueled the rise of drug-resistant bacteria, making it increasingly difficult to treat infections. This is a significant concern for healthcare providers worldwide. Antibiotic resistance occurs when bacteria evolve and develop the ability to defeat the drugs designed to kill them. This means that infections that were once easily treatable with antibiotics are becoming more dangerous and harder to cure. Vaccines can help address this challenge by preventing infections in the first place, reducing the need for antibiotics. By keeping people healthy and free from infections, vaccines reduce the chances of bacteria being exposed to antibiotics and developing resistance. Furthermore, researchers are exploring the development of vaccines specifically designed to target drug-resistant bacteria, offering a potential solution to this growing crisis. These innovative vaccines could provide a new line of defense against bacteria that no longer respond to traditional treatments. The development of such vaccines is a complex and challenging process, requiring significant investment in research and development. However, the potential benefits are immense, as they could save countless lives and reduce the burden on healthcare systems. In addition to developing new vaccines, it is also crucial to promote the responsible use of existing antibiotics. This includes educating both healthcare providers and the public about the importance of using antibiotics only when necessary and following prescribed treatment regimens. By combining the power of vaccines with responsible antibiotic use, we can combat antibiotic resistance and protect global health for future generations. Section 6. Overcoming vaccine hesitancy. Despite the overwhelming scientific evidence supporting vaccine safety and effectiveness, vaccine hesitancy remains a significant hurdle in achieving widespread immunization coverage. The spread of misinformation and distrust in scientific institutions has fueled vaccine skepticism, leading some individuals to forego vaccination for themselves or their children. Combating vaccine hesitancy requires a multi-pronged approach, including clear and accurate communication from trusted healthcare providers, public education campaigns to address misinformation, and policies that promote vaccine confidence and uptake. Section 7. The Future of Vaccination. Looking ahead, the future of vaccination is full of exciting possibilities. Personalized vaccines, tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup and health history, hold the potential for even more targeted and effective immunization. Digital health technologies, including electronic health records and vaccine passports, are streamlining vaccine delivery and tracking, making it easier to ensure timely vaccination. And scientists are even exploring the use of vaccines for non-infectious diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and certain types of cancer. Section 8. A global imperative. The vaccine industry stands at the forefront of global health innovation. The advancements we've witnessed in recent years, particularly in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, have been nothing short of remarkable. Yet, our work is far from finished. Ensuring a future where everyone can benefit from the power of vaccines requires continued investment in research and development, equitable access to vaccines for all, and a collective commitment to combating misinformation and building vaccine confidence. The health of our world depends on it,